वीडियो को अभी लाइक कर दीजिए और लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए रवि ब्लॉग्स टेक चैनल को और दबाइए बेल आइकन। What's up guys, this is Ravi from the channel Ravi Blogs Tech, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about new range of gaming laptops that has been launched by the company called Asus. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what kind of products Acer delivers, especially in gaming laptop categories. They bring out some of the great qualities laptop. So in this time again they have come out with 4 new categories of laptop, which is under which one of them is my favorite, which is Scar series. They absolutely look stunning, as you can see in the picture below. So I'm going to talk about it in this video in full detail, and also other laptops too. And also I'm going to share you guys the price of these laptops too, so that you can buy these things, and you'll get the link for all those laptops in the description in case if you want to check it out. So guys, let's begin with the video. It's gonna be very interesting, so watch it till the end. And before that, if you're new to the channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button, because I bring such videos every single day which you might not want to miss it. And also we are very close to 5k subscribers, as you can see scrolling down, so please subscribe. So let's begin with the video. So starting with the model numbers, so let's begin with which all model numbers they have launched. So the very first series is Asus ROG Strix Scar series. Basically under that they have launched 2 models, that is 15 and 17. Then again there is Strix series, under which you get G17, G15, and then again there is TUF series. Many guys are fan of TUF series, so they have continued it and they have launched A15, TUF A15 series. And Asus, ROG Strix desktop version also. They have launched a desktop also, which is GA35. And all these PCs are powered by latest AMD processors, that is 5000 series processors, and also an NVIDIA's graphics card, that is 3000 series graphics card. So it's gonna be very ultimate PCs, laptops, basically gaming laptops. Spoiler alert, these laptop contains 300 Hz refresh rate screens. Yeah, you have heard it right, it's 300 refresh rate, 300 Hz refresh rate. Those are just madness. You can do whatever you want with 300 refresh rate monitors, displays. So talking about the very first series, that is Scar 15 and Scar 17, my personal favorite, because it has amazing look. As you can see, it gives that gaming vibe into it. Especially the keyboard is very awesome, it gives that gaming vibe. And talking about the processor and the graphics card, you get absolutely maximum, that is AMD Ryzen 9 5900X HX. Basically HX stands for HX is basically laptop based processors, and you get X processors only for desktop based processors. So this is HX, it is made for laptop gaming. And again, coming to graphics card, before that let me tell you, this AMD Ryzen 9 has already beaten up Intel i9 processors. So this is more faster than Intel i9 processor, so you can go with this if you want to buy it. Now talking about the graphics card, you get NVIDIA GeForce 3080 or 3070. You get 2 options, 3080 or 3070. 3090 hasn't come yet, so you'll have to wait for it for maybe next year. Now talking about the display, for which I gave the spoiler earlier itself, that is you get a very high refresh rate display, that is 300 megahertz hertz display, which is crazy. It is a IPS full HD IPS display, which is very good, and it will enhance your gaming experience. Now talking about the next series of laptop, that is Strix G15 and Strix G17. These are the little bit downgrade version of Scar versions, but processors you get almost same, only the graphics card is little bit downgraded. So the processors you get is AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, same as the previous one I talked about, and also Ryzen 7 you get it in this. You have the options to select either Ryzen 7 or Ryzen 9, whichever you want, you can take it. Believe me, you won't find much difference between Ryzen 9 and Ryzen 7 5000 series. There will be like only 20 to 30 FPS difference. That's not gonna make much difference. If you play in Ryzen 7 also, you'll get above like CSGO. If you're playing CSGO and all, you'll get about 200 FPS only, and between both of the processors, you get only 30 to 40 FPS difference. Now talking about the graphics card, this is where it comes down, because you don't get the options to select 3080 and Ryzen RTX 3080. You only have the options to select either Ryzen 3070 or 3060. Now talking about the next series, that is TUF series. Basically it is TUF A15 to be exact. This is little bit more downgraded version. It is the basically it comes in third position. So you get in this AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processors, and up to 32 GB to RAM is supported, and all the basic things. And in this you have 144 Hz display refresh rate. Basically this is the refresh rate that most of the PC gamers use it. By most I mean like not everyone, but yeah, gamers love 144 Hz monitors. Talking about the graphics card, you get only one option, that is RTX 3060 GPU and 6 GB, which gives you 6 GB of virtual memory, video memory, and rest all are same as the other gaming laptops. Finally, let's talk about the new desktop, that is GA35. This is a desktop. Let me make it clear, those three were laptops and this is a desktop. So in this you get again very good Ryzen 9 with 5900X or Ryzen 7 with 5800X. Point to be noted that this is an X processor. Let me tell you, X processors are only for desktop processors, and HX and other things are for laptop processors. PCs are better than gaming laptops, so because you get the you can customize it however you want. Now finally talking about the pricing, guys, this is the main thing. So let me tell you the price of the very first laptop, that is ROG Strix G15 and G17, which starts at 1,57,000 and 1,59,000, 50,000 respectively. And then comes the Scar series. Scar 15 and Scar 16 starts at 1,54,000 and 2,34,000. The Scar 17 is the most costliest one among all these laptops that I said you about in this video. And coming to the TUF series, which is a very there is more number of fans for this Asus TUF series laptops. So this starts at 1,03,000. So this is the cheapest one out of here, and the most costliest one is Scar 17. Now coming to the desktop, that starts with at 2 lakh rupees, 1,999,990 basically. So it is 2 lakh. Obviously you are not gonna take 10 rupees from the shop. Jokes apart, well, this is it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions or any confusions, you can or any suggestions, any kind of thing, you can just comment down below and I'll try my best to solve it. I will try my best to reply it, and for sure I'll reply it. If even I don't know the answer, I will reply it. So do comment down below. And well, this is it for the video. Hope you liked it, and if you like the video, then do hit the like button and share this video with all your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get such videos every single day, because I post it every single day. So see you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye, take care, Jai Hind.